I've always loved art, and it's always been one of the highest forms of how I express myself. Because I have dyslexia, reading and writing was always a bit harder for me, so drawing and color was always the best way I could express myself.
Enlightenment hija wirja mtellgħa mill-artista Rebecca Cassar li tistħarreġ il-ħajja permezz ta' forom astratti, kuluri, vivaċi u l-użu kreattiv tad-deheb.
Enlightenment is kind of a brainchild that came out of a very difficult period in my life. My father got diagnosed with cancer 2 years ago, unfortunately. Thank God he's doing very well now. But it was a very emotional time. I found that art was the best way I could release what I was feeling. I mainly use color to express myself and texture, so you'll see in a lot of my paintings there are a lot of bright colors. So it was kind of a way I could go out of the darkness into a brighter form of seeing the world and trying to appreciate the good in the world, the brightness and the good moments that we had as a family as well. And then I feel like there are some bursts of reds, maybe when I was feeling a bit more angry or a bit more expressive. I wanted to use gold leaf because it is a traditional form of art. It is enduring. It is something that has stood the test of time in the art world and in the world in general. And I wanted to translate that into my paintings. So I wanted the color to be fast, because acrylic, which is the main medium I use, is fast drying. So it was able to portray my emotions quickly because I wanted to get them quickly onto the canvas. Whereas the gold leaf and the gilding techniques are, you have to be more careful. In fact, gold is very delicate. Just like the situation I was in, it was delicate. And it was something that marked me for the rest of my life. So I wanted to kind of put that stamp on my artworks that would endure the test of time. I hope my works bring a sense of calm to people and they look a bit further into the beauty of abstract art and the emotion behind abstract art. This is a really special moment for me because it's my first exhibition. So it's the first time I'm sharing with everyone my works in real life, even because of COVID. It's going to be on from the 5th January to the 26th January at Malta Society of Art, Palazzo della Sal in Valletta.